Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're doing something other than a gaming video. We're gonna do a kind of a vlog thing, but without my face in it. Now before we go outside, because that's where I'm going for this, I do want to show you this one thing. A three-legged puppy. Isn't that right? Huh, Joey? You sniffing the camera? Yeah. He just recently had his leg removed because he had bone cancer, but it's like he still is on 4 legs because he's doing amazing. And then that's my other dog. This is Carly. She likes to lay down a lot. And then I will go show you my cat as well. My cat's in the basement. He's gonna stay in the basement until I come back. Let's go find him. Buddy! His name's Pudding, by the way. He's in here. There he is. There he is. Say hello, Pudding. Yeah, he said hello. Good afternoon. So, I just recently got home from basketball practice. So I'm waiting a little bit. I'll put you back in the darkness. Adios. So, we're gonna just head outside in a little bit. See you guys out. Hey guys, so I'm about to head out into the wilderness. Gonna ignore the squirrel. Joey is not gonna come with us. It's gonna be too much for you. So we're about to go out. You ready? I just saw like a rat looking thing go behind the box. There it is. You see it? Did you see that? Did you see that? Oh my goodness, I don't know where it went. I'm gonna put one of my gloves back on. Oh my goodness. I was not expecting that. Is it still under here? Does it have like a little hole? I bet you it went under the house. Oh. Man, that was awesome. That was really cool. Alright. Let's head out into the woods and see what we can find. I was gonna wear gloves, but then I realized, whatever. Boy. Also, I think I might show my face. I don't care. There's not gonna be that many people to see this, right? Alright. Once we get deeper in, I'll turn it back on. Alright, so we are officially into the woods. We're gonna adventure around, see what we can find. See if we can climb this tree. It's like kind of a tree, it's fallen over, but you know, it doesn't stop me from climbing it. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna hop down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump. I'm like a cat. I land on my feet. Alright. Alright. Let's see what we can find. I was hoping to find some pill bugs. I don't know exactly where to find those. If we come just back here, like this, there's like a little crevice down there where they like to hang out. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a stick. Maybe dig some up. I know that there's like a bunch of dead ones under here. Maybe not. God, I'm gonna get frostbite out here. Don't want to get frostbite, really. I'm gonna go see if I can find something that could have a pill bug in it. Maybe that. I don't know. Hoping we can find something. Oh my god, my hands are freezing already and I've been out here for 2 minutes. Okay, so let me show you guys my favorite spot to hang out here. This is like my favorite spot in the whole woods. House is right over there. It's a pretty nice place. I just like to jump up and down on this thing, honestly. Whee! It's fun. Alright, I've got a bunch of sticks up here. Then come right down this path. Quite literally right down the path. You'll come to like a little opening. Now, this leads to my favorite path, my personal favorite path, which we'll go down later in the video. But if you come over here, there's 3 ways. You can go that way, which leads like right around. You can go that way. I'm gonna put the camera by accident. Or you can go down that way. This is my favorite way to go, and we're gonna go down it right now. We're gonna go down it quick because the momentum is carrying me all the way down. Oh, whoa! It's a pretty steep hill. Whoa. Okay. It's a pretty steep hill. Honestly, it's really steep. But look, I call it Devil's Road because there was like all this overgrowth that there was all this overgrowth like covering it, so you couldn't get down the hill for years. So my dad decided to clear it out, and this is what we got down here. I like to adventure way up off the path up here. Now we're not gonna adventure off the path in this video too much, but if you guys like this video, I'd say we can make some arrangements. We'll see. Let's see if I can climb up onto this thing. Okay. I still need to download it to like a good video editor onto my iPad. I have Splice, but I'm not sure if that's like the best video editor. Oh shoot! Alright. Abort the mission. Let's go a little bit more off Devil's Road. And then we'll adventure some other place. Hoping not to get ticks right now. Yeah. I'm glad I decided to bring out the old GoPro. Whoa, what happened here? Seems as though something fell over. See that? I swear I heard something. It's like a tree fell over. And it looks like that was the stump. So it fell over that way. Looks like we're not bringing the Polaris down this way. Yeah, so I like to also crouch up this way. One time when, oh jeez, that thing just whacked me. The Devil's Bush on Devil's Road. Jeez, I'm glad it didn't get stuck in my ear. I like to adventure up that way. That way leads back up around to my house. Crap, there are people working on that. Alright, I'm gonna head back up around that way, and I'll take you down another place. Hey, having to trudge back up hills, especially ones as steep as this one. I've worked a lot. I had basketball practice earlier, and half an hour later I'm coming outside to record a nature walk video in my woods. That's great. Man, trudging up a hill like that is not easy. Now, we won't be going down that way. However, I will take you up this way. Oh man. Having to run up a hill like that really wears you out. Oh man. So right up here is an opening, what I like to call the alien wires. Yeah. There's 2 places up in the woods like this, but if we go straight up into here, you'll see all these vines connected way up there and then heading off into other parts of the woods. Like right there, bunch of vines. Right there, bunch of vines. Vines everywhere. Vines right there, vines right there. Vines there. You know, vines over there, vines up there. Vines on pretty much every tree. Like, vines right there, vines there, vines there. Look at all the vines. It would be great to like camp out somewhere, but like, you know, there's another steep hill down that way, but we're gonna go up this way in hopes of finding a pill bug. Okay, see that like kind of red bark up there? That's where we're going. Because pill bugs, or whatever the thing's called, I've known to live in like this kind of bark. Possibly even the bark on the floor. Take a look in there. What's that? Looks like an exoskeleton there. Come on, break open. Okay. Or if I pull it, I'm starting to see some pill bugs. Maybe not. Oh, what's that? You see that? Hang on. Let me grab this stick. What is that? You see these like gooey things? That's interesting. Okay. Well then, seems like it's still loose. I know the pill bugs are in here. I just don't know where. Is that like a slug in a spider's web? What's going on up there? That's a weird tree and possibly one I want to stay away from. Anyway, we're gonna head back up the path. See what else we might be able to find. I just want to show you as much of the woods as I can without going on to a 30-minute video. As much as I'd love to stay up here for 30 minutes, it's too cold and the video would be too long. So, oh my goodness, super cold. It's got to be somewhere around freezing. Last night it snowed. Last night it literally snowed at my house. It's the beginning of November. Like, oh, whatever. This used to be my chill spot until my dad cut it. Rest in peace, chill spot. While we're walking through, how about some useless plugs? Follow me on Instagram, GameGeorge07. Follow me on Twitter, GameGeorge07. I have a Facebook account, but I only use it for games because Facebook is terrible. Oops. I still think the highlight of the video was the rat at the beginning. That was awesome. Whew. Alright, start up here. I'll show you my other favorite spot. I'm really good at breaking things in here. Like, sorry for all the wind, by the way. It's a very cold day. And I only thought of videotaping this yesterday. So I was excited for today, and then I remembered I have basketball practice. Because I was going to film it earlier, but then I remembered, oh, I have basketball practice. It was sudden, too. I was a little bit late. Alright, let's look in here. Flip this up. I want to at least get one on camera. Like, I don't want to walk away empty-handed, because these guys are all over the woods. So I'm kind of just gonna dig stuff out. If I had my gloves on, I would be able to just kind of go in there and dig around, but I don't have my gloves because I thought it would be easier to handle the GoPro without the gloves. maybe not. This is the wrong tree. Normally they're over here, all over the place. Look, look, there's one. I'm gonna try to pick it up. That's a dead one. No, I want a live one. There we go. Okay, flip back over. There we go, you see him? Oh, he seems to be struggling. These guys are good at committing suicide. By committing suicide, I mean walking off my hand. Here, buddy, I'll put you back down. What about this guy? This guy seems a little bit more active. There you go. Take a good look at him. He's pretty cool. Ooh, feels cool. Alright, I'll put you back down. Alright, that was cool. My hangout spot is right back here as well. As you can see. This is another place where I like to call the alien wires, because look at all the logs, all the vines, all the everything just around here. What I have found it is like best to sit on this thing. It's fun to sit on this. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. My hands are starting to freeze again. I should probably start to head out. We saw pill bugs, we saw rats. I'm not done with the video yet. I haven't shown you my original, not original, but like where I used to go all the time, just play around. Since we got the addition on our house like less than a year ago, for a couple months I hung out at the spot. So I'm gonna meet you guys there. Let me see if that rat has returned. Looks like he would still be down in there. Alright, let's run around to the back. This is our pool, by the way, and our hot tub. Wonder if we lift this up. Look at all the steam. Whoa. Okay, making sure that's not on the camera too much. Alright, I've got to hop back in the hot tub at some point. Right down here. Also, trampoline shed. Right down here. This is where I used to like go all the time. So, yeah, look at all of it. It's kind of overgrown at this point. That plant, I don't know where it came from, because it was tiny, like a couple months ago. And then the next time I look back, bam, huge. Yeah, wowza. And then we can come right down here. I'm gonna try to find the safest route down while holding a GoPro. Whoa. Also, recognize this area? Yeah, that leads right into Devil's Road. Anyway, let's come back up here. Let's see what's down here. I used to find pill bugs and spiders down here all the time, sometimes even worms. That was the rock I always hung out at. I would flip over rocks looking for pill bugs. Like, not only those tiny rocks, but like bigger ones, like inside of the ground. You see right here. Nothing in there though. So we're gonna come right back up here. And that's pretty much gonna be it. I'm gonna get back into my house. I'm gonna end off the video right there. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. I still think, let's go over the key points of the video. Pill bug, Devil's Road, mouse, or rat, whatever it was. I'm not very good at identifying things. But, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Boop. And, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.